Winter camping can be breathtaking, but it's also brutal if you're not prepared. So today, we're diving into the 15 best winter camping gear of 2025, the coolest gadgets and must-have tools that'll keep you warm, safe, and comfortable. These are the latest and most reliable camping essentials, from advanced sleeping systems to next-level power gear, all tested for extreme cold weather adventures. So whether you're camping in the snow, hiking in the mountains, or just love winter adventures, stick around, because these winter camping gadgets will take your setup to the next level. Looking for a tent that's ready for any adventure? The OneTigris Stella 4-season camping tent delivers reliable performance in every condition. Designed for 2 people, it's lightweight yet durable, with a 3,000mm waterproof rating that keeps you dry through heavy rain or snow. Setup is fast and effortless, making it perfect for backpackers and hikers who value both comfort and convenience. The Arcturus military wool blanket is built for warmth, durability, and reliability in any environment. Crafted from a thick wool blend, it traps heat efficiently to keep you warm during cold nights, whether you're camping, traveling, or facing an emergency. It's machine washable, maintaining softness and strength even after repeated use. Ideal for outdoor adventures, stadium events, or survival kits, this blanket delivers dependable comfort and rugged performance. With its military-grade quality and versatile design, the Arcturus wool blanket is a smart buy for anyone who values warmth, toughness, and long-lasting utility. Experience cozy comfort wherever you camp with the AGEMORE 0-degree double sleeping bag. Designed for 2 adults, this queen-size sleeping bag features a soft cotton flannel lining and premium insulation that keeps you warm even in freezing temperatures. Perfect for winter camping, RV trips, or family adventures, it combines comfort with durability. The dual zipper design allows easy entry and temperature control, while its waterproof shell resists moisture and cold winds. Easy to pack and clean, the AGEMORE double sleeping bag is the perfect blend of warmth, space, and quality, a must-have for cold weather travelers. Cook like a pro on the trail with the Jetboil MiniMo camping stove. This compact backpacking system features adjustable heat control, allowing precise simmering or rapid boiling, perfect for everything from coffee to full meals. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for hiking, camping, or any outdoor adventure, while the integrated pot and efficient fuel system save time and space. With fast boil times and stable performance even in windy conditions, the MiniMo ensures hot meals wherever you go. A smart choice for campers who want convenience, efficiency, and reliability in one compact cooking system. Be prepared for any task with the Leatherman Wave Plus 18-in-1 multi-tool, built for DIY projects, home repairs, outdoor adventures, and everyday carry, EDC. This full-size tool combines durability with versatility. Featuring pliers, knives, screwdrivers, scissors, and more, it tackles almost any challenge with ease. Its compact, foldable design fits comfortably in your pocket or backpack, making it ready whenever you need it. With rugged stainless steel construction and a lifetime warranty, the Wave Plus is a reliable companion for work, travel, or emergencies. A must-have for anyone who values function, quality, and convenience in a single tool. Keep your hands warm, protected, and connected with Devembr snowboarding gloves with wrist guards. Designed for skiing, snowboarding, and winter sports, these gloves combine durable insulation with integrated wrist support to prevent injuries on the slopes. The touchscreen-compatible fingertips let you use your phone or GPS without removing them, while the water-resistant material keeps your hands dry in snow or rain. Comfortable, secure, and built for performance, these gloves are perfect for winter athletes who want warmth, protection, and convenience all in one. A must-have for every snow adventure. Sleep comfortably anywhere with the KLYMIT Insulated Static V Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, backpacking, and hiking, offering supportive cushioning without extra bulk. The insulated design keeps you warm on chilly nights, while the V-shaped air chambers provide stability and prevent rolling. Easy to inflate and pack, this air mattress combines convenience with comfort, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Durable, compact, and reliable, the KLYMIT Sleeping Pad ensures a restful night under the stars. A smart choice for campers who value warmth, comfort, and portability. Get hot meals in minutes with the Jetboil Flash 1.0-liter portable stove. Perfect for camping, backpacking, and outdoor adventures, this stove features one-step push-button ignition for hassle-free use and a fast boil system that heats water in just over 2 minutes. Its compact design with integrated cooking cups saves space, while the propane isobutane burner delivers reliable performance in any weather. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to pack, the Jetboil Flash is ideal for hikers and campers who want quick, convenient meals without compromising portability. A must-have for 2025 outdoor adventures. Tackle any outdoor task with the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, this military-style entrenching tool is perfect for camping, off-roading, gardening, or emergency survival. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the durable blade and pick handle digging through dirt, sand, mud, or snow with ease. Lightweight yet rugged, this shovel is a versatile tool for adventurers, DIYers, and survivalists alike, a reliable companion for any terrain. It's a must-have for anyone who needs strength, portability, and multifunctional performance in one tool. Stay powered wherever you go with the ELECOM NESTOUT Rugged Power Bank. With 15,000 mAh capacity and 32-watt USB-C fast charging, it keeps your devices like phones and tablets charged on the trail, at camp, or during emergencies. Built waterproof, IP67, shockproof, and heavy-duty, this tactical battery pack withstands harsh outdoor conditions. Compact yet durable, it's ideal for hiking, camping, survival kits, or travel, ensuring you stay connected when it matters most. Reliable, portable, and rugged, the ELECOM NESTOUT is a must-have for adventurers who demand power and protection in one robust device. Be prepared for any outdoor emergency with the Adventure Medical Kit's Sportsman Series Medical Kit. Designed for 2 people for up to 4 days, this compact kit includes bandages, medicines, a first aid guide, and essential supplies to handle common injuries while camping, hiking, or hunting. Its organized, durable case keeps everything accessible when you need it most. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want peace of mind and safety on every adventure. Make outdoor cooking easy with the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This complete set includes pots, pans, and essential utensils, all designed to be lightweight, portable, and compatible with backpacking or portable stoves. Perfect for camping, hiking, or picnics. It lets you prepare meals efficiently while on the trail. Durable and compact, the MalloMe kit packs neatly into a carry bag, saving space in your backpack. Whether you're cooking for one or a group, this versatile cookware set is a must-have for every camper who values convenience, quality, and outdoor-ready functionality. Light up any adventure with the X-Tauto Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern. This lightweight, waterproof, and solar/USB rechargeable lantern is perfect for camping, hiking, emergencies, power outages, or home use. Its collapsible design makes it easy to pack, while the bright LED ensures reliable illumination wherever you go. Durable and versatile, it's ideal for survival kits or outdoor adventures, providing long-lasting light in any situation. With this 4-pack, you'll have dependable lighting for multiple areas or companions, a smart choice for anyone who values convenience, portability, and safety. Be ready for anything with this 142-piece emergency survival and first aid kit, packed with professional-grade survival gear, first aid supplies, and a durable MOLLE pouch. It's perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, or any outdoor adventure. Compact and organized, the kit provides tools for medical emergencies, navigation, fire starting, and general survival. Reliable, versatile, and ready to use, this survival kit is a must-have companion for adventurers who value safety and convenience. Sleep comfortably on the go with the Hickenshire Camping Pillow. This ultralight inflatable pillow offers excellent neck and lumbar support, making it perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, or travel. The removable, washable cover keeps it clean and fresh, while its compact design makes packing effortless. Easy to inflate and deflate, it provides a cozy rest wherever you are. Durable, lightweight, and ergonomically designed, the Hickenshire Camping Pillow is a must-have for outdoor adventurers who want comfort without the bulk.